Dynasonics range of ultrasonic clamp-on flow and energy meters was specifically designed to seamlessly integrate into building management systems. So we offer control protocols such as Modbus RTU, BACnet MSTP, Modbus TCP/IP, and BACnet IP. This allows us to communicate directly with the building management system to provide accurate and real-time data. We also have data loggers on board as well, so that we can download the data directly from the device if we need to. And not only that, we can connect our TFX-5000 devices to our Orion NB-IoT cellular endpoints, and we can visualize all of that data within our AquaCube software platform.